Thank you, Jesus, for your love, for your mercy from above. You have never let me go. You're the strength within my soul. Thank you, Jesus, for the cross, for the life you gave for us. Every heartbeat sings to you. Thank you, Jesus, I love you. When I fall, you lift me high. You wipe the teardrops from my eyes. Every valley, every pain, you have turned to joy again.